Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Oxford Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. Long distance relocations are relocations over distances of 50 miles, and they can be frightening to plan. There are many things to put in place, and if your logistics are inaccurate, you will face a lot of issues. However, 3 Movers have got your back. We are not afraid to brave the dangers of long-distance relocations, having undertaken a lot of them. You can trust us to provide you with the best experience. Our staff is well equipped to help you with the move. We are a customer-centric company, and we aim to see you satisfied at the end of our correspondence. With 3 Movers handling your trip, you can be sure that nothing will go wrong. We have contingencies in place to handle situations that do not go according to plan. Our local moving services are the best in the area, and we have helped a lot of people transport to new locations in distances that are less than 50 miles. We are inexpensive, charging about $30 to $40 per hour, and everyone who comes in contact with us always leaves satisfied and happy. You only need to ask around if you want verifiable evidence of our moving packages. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Oxford moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.